guys, it's Kim. So I'm with PDX Hair Extensions. We also do color and things like that, and we are having a lot of our clients needing color through this time. So we developed two little kits. This kit right here is the developer, and then you have one that's just your perimeter and then one that goes all over your head. We did create some instructions, so how to do those things, and we have a complete color line available to all of our clients and things like that, and we have their actual color for them. So we will do our best to get as close to your color as far as if you're a highlight or something like that. We'll get as close as we can just to get you through till you can get in to see us. The worst thing you can do is do a box color, so don't do that. We would be sending you guys with gloves, mixers, little mixers like this. And then if you really, really want it, we can try to grab some of our inventory and get that to you too. And when you contact us, we can give you your full cost for any of those things. So, and then if you're not our client, what we are doing is we're trying to help you get through until you do get to your next client or until you get to your hairdresser. So what you'll need to do is just send us a picture of you. We'll go through the whole thing and then contact us, and then we'll try to do the best we can to match what you have, even if you're a highlight or if you you get full colors. We'll do the best we can to match you and help you through that. We'll give you the time, how long it's gonna have to stay. We'll be asking lots of information from you to be able to get that kit developed and put together for you.